This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about the mobile phones. Do you remember your first phone?
Yes, I do. It was a simple flip phone that I got during high school. It didn't have internet, but I could call and text my friends, which felt exciting at the time. I still have fond memories of it.
Do you often use your mobile phone for texting or for calls?
I mostly use my phone for texting because it's quick and convenient. However, if it's something important or personal, I prefer calling to have a proper conversation.
Will you buy a new one in the future?
Yes, I think so. My current phone works fine, but technology changes so fast that I might need an upgrade in a year or two. I'll look for a phone with a better camera and more storage.
How has your mobile phone changed your life?
My phone has made life much easier. I can stay connected with friends, check emails, and even work from anywhere. It's also great for entertainment, like watching videos or listening to music when I'm bored.
Do you think mobile phones are a distraction?
Yes, they can be a big distraction, especially when trying to focus on work or study. Social media and notifications make it hard to concentrate, so I sometimes put my phone away to avoid interruptions.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe your favorite song. You should say what the song is, who sings it, when you first heard it, and explain why it is your favorite.
One of my favorite songs is Imagine by John Lennon. It's a timeless classic with a beautiful message about peace and unity. The melody is simple yet powerful, and the lyrics inspire hope for a better world. Every time I listen to it, I feel calm and reflective, which is why it has a special place in my heart. I first heard this song years ago while watching a documentary about music's impact on society. The song stood out because it was more than just entertainment, it was a call for change. I was struck by the way it encourages people to imagine a world without barriers, conflicts, or greed. Its message stayed with me long after the documentary ended, and I immediately added it to my playlist. What makes Imagine truly unique is its universal appeal. It doesn't belong to any particular culture, time, or place. Instead, it speaks to everyone, regardless of their background or beliefs. I also admire how Lennon used his influence to spread such a positive and meaningful idea. Listening to it often reminds me to focus on kindness and understanding in my daily life, which feels especially important in today's world. Whenever I play this song, it creates a peaceful atmosphere. Whether I'm relaxing at home, walking in the park, or even feeling stressed, Imagine has the power to lift my mood. It's more than just a song, it's a reminder of the potential for a better future, which is why it will always remain my favorite.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of music. Why do people listen to music?
People listen to music to relax, feel inspired, or express emotions. It's a way to escape from stress and connect with their feelings. Music can also bring people together and create shared experiences, like at concerts or parties. Additionally, it often helps people focus while studying or working.
How does music influence people's moods?
Music has a strong effect on moods. A cheerful song can make you feel happy and energetic, while a slower tune might help you calm down or reflect. Lyrics and rhythms often resonate with emotions, changing how people feel instantly. Music can even motivate people during exercise or challenging tasks.
What role does music play in cultural identity?
Music is a big part of cultural identity because it reflects traditions, values, and history. Folk songs, for example, can tell stories about a culture's past, while modern music shows how that culture is evolving over time. Festivals and ceremonies also use music to highlight unique cultural practices.
Has technology changed the way people listen to music?
Yes, technology has completely changed how we enjoy music. Streaming platforms make it easy to access millions of songs anytime, and portable devices let people listen wherever they go. This convenience has made music a bigger part of daily life. Social media and music apps also help people discover new artists and genres.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.